Hi, Mark Fraser with Edwards Garage here in Rocky Mountain House, Alberta. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this 2017 Buick LaCrosse Premium. I'm going to go through some of the features of the exterior and the condition. So first off, it has a 3.6 liter V8. It has the articulating headlights, so basically the headlights will move, and they're automatic, so they'll come on at night. Just moving down the side, we got park assist sensors on the front as well. Great little feature. Mirrors are heated, and they have your blind zone alert. It is passive entry, so it is push button start as well. So just keep your fob in your pocket and you can enter the vehicle. Just moving down the side, a couple little scratches down there. Again, park assist sensors at rear. It is an all-wheel drive vehicle. Just coming down the side, couple little scrapes there, couple little scrapes back there I see. But overall, it's in good shape. And now let's go inside and we'll check out the features of the interior. So I'm inside this 2017 Buick LaCrosse, and great interior. It looks very sharp. I'm going to cover some of the features of the vehicle. So first off, over here on the driver's door, we have power adjustable mirrors, of course, power windows, automatic down on the front windows. We have programmable seats. As I mentioned outside, we have automatic headlights. Also, this vehicle comes with heads-up display, so you can put different information about driving, whether it's navigation or speed. You can put that up front, so it's easily seen. We have a digital cluster here in the center, which is really sharp. Over on the steering wheel here, we have forward collision alert. We have a heated steering wheel, and we have cruise control, but it's not just cruise control, it's adaptive cruise control. So a great feature if you're doing long drives that basically manages the gap between you and the vehicle in front of you and slows down accordingly. Lots of information too in the driver information center up front, which can be controlled from here. Moving across to the radio. So AM, FM, satellite, of course. We can control the climate up here. We have projection. So basically we can project our cell phone information up here, do voice texting, all those good things. Bluetooth connection for the phone. Lots of great features there. Lots to cover, and if you do have questions, certainly give me a call and we can go through it more in depth. Down here we have our automatic climate control area, along with heated seats and cooled seats. So cooled seats are a great little feature on this car. Down here we have StabiliTrak, park assist sensors, as I mentioned, and park assist sensors here. This is actually automatic parking, my mistake. So this vehicle will parallel park for you, or horizontal park. We also have lane keep assist. So basically that, in the event that the vehicle drifts over the center line, it will pull you back automatically. So it's there to help avoid head-on collisions. Now down here we have the gear shift, which looks a little different, and it is. It's electronic shifter. So basically it just, there's no linkage. It's just all done electronically. So very smooth, very elegant, and a nice feature as well. Up here we have controls for our sunroof. And if you look up at the sunroof, it's actually a panoramic sunroof. So very nice, very classy. Before I leave this area, we do have our OnStar, which is part of our safety program in our GMC vehicles. But overall, the interior is in great shape. Lots of great features, lots of content on this truck. Let's jump in the back seat and we'll go over the condition. So I'm in the back seat of this 2017 Buick LaCrosse, and the seats look in great condition, actually excellent condition. This color, by the way, is called Brandy. It's a very sharp color, very elegant. But yeah, overall the condition is perfect back here. One thing I want to point out, it does have a 120 volt plug-in and a 12 volt charging port there as well. One last stop I'm going to make before we close out this video is we're going to check out the trunk space of this vehicle. So let's meet back there. So I'm at the back of this 2017 Buick LaCrosse. Just want to show you the cargo space. And I've also, if you can see up through there, I've dropped down that one side of the seat. So that really opens it up for a lot more cargo, skis, golf clubs. But just wanted to point out there's lots of cargo space, and you can create more by dropping those rear seats. Let's meet up front and close out this video. So there you have it, the 2017 Buick LaCrosse. This vehicle also comes with command start, of course. Lots of content on this vehicle. Very classy, classy car. If you have more questions on this vehicle, feel free to give me a call at 403-845-3328. And just before I leave, this vehicle has just over 55,000 kilometers, so it's a low kilometer vehicle. Give me a call if you need more details on this car.